At London's Heathrow Airport, one of the world's busiest airports, Shenyang Yuanda Intelligence Industry Group, IIG, a Chinese manufacturer, had the honor to record two great achievements thanks to its high quality. Specifically, it was the first time Chinese elevators were ever used in an Olympic game project, and IIG was the first Chinese elevator manufacturer to win any contact from an international airport. A powerful country must have advanced equipment. As history tells, the manufacturing industry is the thermometer of a country's economy, especially so for superpowers. In the blink of an eye, China's economic aggregate has leaped to the second largest in the world, whereas its manufacturing output ranks second to none. Behind China's epic development lies China's key to growth, namely, reform and opening up, innovation, and China's valuable and historic exploration. All good principles should adapt to changing times. And exactly by taking advantage of the rise of China's manufacturing industry, IIG has step by step become a shining star of the industry. IIG carries great expectations and a deep sense of patriotism. Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, CPC Central Committee, China's President and Chairman of the CPC Central Military Commission, called for Chinese manufacturers to transform Made in China into Created in China, Chinese speed into Chinese quality, Chinese products into Chinese brands. While visiting IIG, he highly praised IIG management's noble aspiration. Li Keqiang, Premier of the State Council, also expressed his wish toward IIG. I hope IIG can reach higher and grow larger. IIG leadership was further recognized by Wang Qishan, Secretary of the Central Commission for Discipline Inspection, as PRC's paragon in reform and opening up. In the past years, IIG was visited and inspected by 2 General Secretaries of the CPC Central Committee, 22 members of the Standing Committee of the Political Bureau and Bureau officials, over 60 domestic and foreign state leaders, and 46 provincial leaders, which in turn have inspired us to remain committed to our cause and keep forging ahead. He who goes all out outruns all others. Since its foundation in 1993, Shenyang Yuanda Enterprise Group, CNYD, has grown